Okay, so you want to get smart, fast on the big stuff happening now. Today, we're really zeroing in on something huge: AI, artificial intelligence, and how it's changing our daily drives, our commutes.
Yeah, it's pretty amazing how quickly it's becoming part of the picture.
We've got some key questions lined up, looking at everything from self-driving cars to, smarter buses and trains. The mission here, just to pull out the core insights for you on where AI is now and where it's heading, like really soon
Yeah,
in transportation.
absolutely. And it starts with things happening right now, like AI algorithms processing real-time data, think traffic, road conditions. It's analyzing that instantly.
To do what exactly?
It,
Adjust speed limits, suggest routes.
exactly that. Adjusting signals, suggesting better routes on the fly. It's like this super aware coordinator working behind the scenes.
Okay, interesting. But let's talk self-driving cars. That's what everyone thinks of, right?
Yeah.
What's the actual state of play today? Are we basically there?
Yeah. Well, we're seeing really impressive progress, definitely. But, cars that drive themselves everywhere, all conditions, no driver needed, that's still very much in the works.
Right. So more like advanced help for the driver.
Precisely. You see lots of new cars with sophisticated driver assistance, things like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist.
Hmm.
They help with steering, braking. They're sort of stepping stones.
Gotcha. Stepping stones. So how do these systems actually learn? What's the AI brain doing?
It's really a mix of technologies. First, there's computer vision, teaching the car to see and interpret camera feeds, like recognizing signs, pedestrians, other cars.
Okay. Seeing the world.
Then you've got machine learning, feeding the AI just massive amounts of driving data so it learns patterns, predicts what might happen next.
Makes sense.
And crucially, sensor fusion. That's bringing together data from all the different sensors, radar, LiDAR, those spinning things you see, cameras, into one coherent picture of the world around the car.
Right. Combining all the senses. Now, driving on a clear highway seems, well, maybe easier than downtown at rush hour. What specific problems do cities pose for these AI vehicles?
Oh, cities are tough. They throw a lot at the AI. You've got unpredictable pedestrians, right?
Yeah.
Cyclists weaving around,
Yeah.
complex intersections, double parked cars, maybe unexpected construction zones. The AI needs to react instantly and correctly in, frankly, pretty chaotic situations sometimes.
It's a lot to handle.
Ugh.
But it's not just about personal cars, is it? You mentioned public transport earlier. How's AI helping there?
Yeah, it's making a big difference behind the scenes. We're seeing AI used to optimize schedules, predict arrival times much more accurately,
All right.
even adjust bus routes dynamically based on where people actually are and want to go. And predictive maintenance, too, figuring out if a bus or train needs servicing before it breaks down.
Ah, preventing delays. That's good.
Exactly. The goal is just making public transport more efficient, more reliable for everyone.
Okay, the big one, safety.
Mm.
What's the track record looking like so far? Is AI safer than us humans?
That's the key question, isn't it? The data is still being gathered on a massive scale, really. Early studies and testing often compare autonomous system performance to human averages. But it's crucial to remember these systems are constantly learning, constantly being updated. The long-term goal is definitely to significantly exceed human safety levels.
Okay, work in progress on the data front. What about bad weather? Rain, snow, fog. Does that mess things up?
It certainly can, yeah. Weather is a known challenge. Heavy rain or snow can definitely interfere with how well sensors like cameras and LiDAR see.
Right, makes sense.
So researchers are putting a lot of effort into making these systems more robust, more capable in all sorts of environmental conditions.
So thinking bigger picture.
Yeah.
This whole shift. Who's feeling the impact besides its drivers? Which industries are being, disrupted?
Oh, quite a few. Logistics and delivery, definitely. Think autonomous trucks and delivery bots.
Right.
Ride-sharing companies are obviously investing heavily in robotaxis. And even things like insurance and urban planning are starting to adapt and think about how cities might change with fewer personally owned cars or different traffic flows.
Okay, so the ripples spread pretty wide,
Hmm.
which leads to the ultimate question for many people. Are human drivers going to be obsolete, like in the next decade?
Probably not obsolete across the board within 10 years. While the progress is fast, there are still significant technical hurdles, regulatory questions, and infrastructure upgrades needed for full autonomy everywhere.
So more gradual.
I think so. We'll likely see a more gradual integration, more advanced assistance features becoming standard, maybe fully autonomous systems in specific areas first, like dedicated highway lanes or defined urban zones, not a complete takeover immediately.
Okay, so summing this up then. AI is clearly reshaping our commutes, right? Lots of potential for efficiency, new ways to travel. But also, real challenges still exist with safety, complexity, weather.
That captures it well. It's definitely a transformative time. And it really makes you think, doesn't it? As AI gets woven deeper into how we move around, how might that change not just our travel habits, but maybe the fundamental shape of our cities, our communities, even our ideas about, personal freedom and mobility, something to keep an eye on.